If that ATV you have stored in your shed gets stolen, your homeowner's insurance is going to cover it, right? Hi, this is Jerry Nicola, Real Insurance Talk with Huff Insurance. And the answer to that is probably not. Probably not. That's a motorized type vehicle, and that's a common exclusion on almost every homeowner's policy. There's an exception to that rule if you have something that's 100% used to maintain your property. So if you got a lawnmower, a tractor, or say you have that gator that you use to just go, if you got a lot of land, you use it to go around the property, clean up the property, and do property maintenance. It could be interpreted. Then you put a plow on it to clear the driveway. It could be interpreted to be 100% used to maintain your property. But to be safe, there are policies you can put those on to get the physical damage and liability coverage, so there's no question if they get done. And they're relatively inexpensive. And you can even list the youthfuls on there as drivers on those policies. So if you got an ATV that you have your 14-year-old kid or 12-year-old kid use, you can list them as a driver. That way, if they got their friends over and they're driving around, somebody gets hurt, you're going to make sure you got proper coverage in place to best protect you should something happen. So just remember, those ATVs that you have, including those electric motorcycles, dirt bikes that I see all over the road, may not be covered on your homeowner's policy for liability or physical damage if something happens. So just something to keep in mind.